Hey guys, what's up? That's not the normal way I usually welcome someone, but okay. What's the point of this video, of this whole project that I decided to start? As you probably can hear, you cannot see that, but obviously you can hear that. Maybe you can see as well. I'm not the native speaker. I'm not the native English speaker. As I finished my high school, I realized that my English has dropped down, like drastically. Spoken English dropped down, and I'm quite upset of that because I was learning English all my life, like most of my life, at school, only at school, but also by playing games, watching movies, etc. What's the point of this channel? What's the point of this project? I decided to name this Polish my English. That's why I'm from Poland. I just want to improve my English as much as I can. I don't believe, yeah, that's what I'm talking about is I cannot fully express myself using English, not as much as I would use Polish. So yeah, that's the main pain here, I would say. So that's the number one goal, to improve my English, but also work with my uncertainty. Yes, I'm really uncomfortable talking to camera. I'm the most unconfident person you probably know. Or the second one. The first one, maybe, I don't know, it's Bill Gates, maybe. He's actually very confident. So what I wanted to say is the number one goal is to polish my English, improve it, especially spoken English. The second goal is to fight with my uncertainty. Jesus, I can't even pronounce that. Uncertain. Someone is uncertain. So maybe it's uncertainty. Maybe that's the word. I don't know. I will check that later. And also it's for you, for those people that don't feel like confident with their English and also would like to improve. Because what I'm gonna do is the thing that I'm gonna, in every new video I will try to learn to teach you some new phrases, some new idioms, some new words that you probably didn't know, or maybe know like some-ish. So yeah, my English is very imperfect. It's really simple. It's like not as good as I would like to be it to be good. So yeah, it's also the way for me to learn, by teaching. Yeah, seems impossible, like I don't know English much and I will try to teach you. So that's the main goal here. And also yeah, I'm gonna just upload those videos, talk some stuff, and that's all. So I hope that you will subscribe to the channel, leave some comments, but please be gentle, leaving your opinions. Remember, those videos are not meant to be perfect, they meant to be imperfect. Yeah, thank you. I hope that you will join this journey with me.